This recap of what happened last Friday is a little bit late because I'm on vacation. So let's do this. Tesla closed at $456.56, up $16.46, 3.74%. Let's take a look at what this means on our chart. Let's recap the basis right here. Bullish channel, we are still in it. Smaller bullish channel, we are not back in it exactly. This is where the support is. So on Thursday, Tesla fell down and fell outside of this tiny bullish channel. And now we are not back into it. We are just right smack on that support. So we are back outside of our congestion zone at 452.91. This is a good thing. We are still above the 21-day moving average. We still have stochastic over 60. And Tesla on Thursday fell down to 440.13. And then we bounced quite strongly, I will say. This is all good. Our trigger was at 452.91. We are back above it. And now we are having a second top at 467. We have a first one here that was a weak top because it just opened higher during that day and then came down. So here we have a proper top at 467. So this is going to, again, I'm sorry to say this, but it's going to, again, act as resistance a little bit. But the good news, the overall good news is that the lows are getting higher. So when the lows are getting higher, eventually we are going to shoot up. Of course, November 6th is going to be the investors meeting at Tesla. So probably the market is going to wait until then for the shareholders to approve Elon's compensation package. Tesla could have just gone, but it did not happen. So we are following and observing what the market is telling us. And it's not telling us that it super wants to do a rocket move. Yes, 452 was interesting, and we are back above it. So, it is giving us some clues, but it's not really launching. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX is climbing, so this is not good news. We are at 1743, still relatively low. To me, it needs to be below 1739. Okay, at 1743, we are 0.04 higher, so I think it's pretty much insignificant, but we need to watch this guy right here, VIX. We need to have it go down. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Dow Jones, pretty good. We are still above support. We are pretty much going sideways. We closed on Friday a little bit higher than where we did on Thursday. SPX is having a hard time staying above this bullish channel resistance. We are above it right now. We still have stochastic. We still have DMI. So far, I don't see any problem here. We have a bullish channel right here, and we are still in it too. QQQ, this one is better. See, it's staying above support. It's staying above its big support right here, and all of the indicators are good too. NASDAQ, also pretty good. Has not broken yet its bullish channel resistance, but it's maintaining itself quite well, approximately above 25,638. So this is good. Russell was not doing good for the past days, and now it's stopping for now. Let's take a look at gold and silver. Gold inching higher, but there's no trend yet, so this is just a dead cat bounce for now. Silver also inching higher, but this is not to be believed yet. Bitcoin, at least the good news with Bitcoin, and these have been hard to trade a little bit. These have been moving a lot, so we need to stay focused on our criteria. I have been getting in a little bit too early here when the indicators are telling us not to. Stochastic is not over 60 on the daily chart. So when we enter without stochastic over 60, this is risky. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not. So we need to manage our stop loss really well. So right now we are still into a downward channel with Bitcoin. Look at this. It's easy to see downward. The good news is that we don't seem to stay below 106.437. So buyers come in or sellers stop selling. But this is a really important support. The first step that we are going to see when things are turning around is that we are going to break this 111.940. Remember that number. We've talked about it a long time in the past. But more importantly, we need to break above 116.179. The big buy is right here. Of course, you can buy on support. This has proven to be a really nice support, so it's okay. This is a small buy here. You can buy a little bit. We are still into this downward channel, so you can buy and hope that we are going to break the downward channel. That's what you can do. If you believe that Bitcoin is going to go higher eventually and not go lower, quite lower first, then it might make sense for you to buy on support. Ethereum, same story. Support is strong at 36.55. We have been touching it 4 times, but we don't see it go higher. The big buy is going to come after 42.59. Right here. This is a buy, and this is really hard to write. This is the buy here at 42.59, and if we look at our indicators, nothing's good there. And our beloved BMNR has also suffered. Even though Tom Lee is accumulating Ethereum, this is not having any impact on its fund yet. It's really tied with the movement of Ethereum. We might have to wait for the investors meeting to see what is going to happen next with Tesla. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk on Monday. I'm going to wish you a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.